everyone, Chef Patty here with AvMed Health, and today we're celebrating with my citrus cheer mocktail. So mocktails are great when you want to have a non-alcoholic beverage with the whole family and include the kids. They're easy to make, delicious, and this one is loaded with fresh orange juice, fresh lime juice. So we've got our vitamin C covered, we've got pomegranate juice, and so we've got antioxidant components that helps bring down the stress level, so it's perfect for this time of the year. So let's get started. Really easy to make. I am going to fill my glass with ice, and then I'm going to use this same container to just kind of make a small batch all in one. Okay, so we've got our pomegranate juice going in. This is so yummy. I think you guys are gonna love it. Fresh orange juice. Let me cut this in half so it can fit my citrus squeezer. And not only is it easy to make and it tastes good, so we know it's gonna taste good, but it's fun to decorate and it's fun to have the kids help. They can squeeze the fresh citrus, they can stir. I don't know, I'm a little cheesy when it comes to this. Love it. Love everything about this mocktail. So orange juice went in, now I'm gonna cut a fresh lime. And you can customize it if you wish. If you don't like pomegranate juice and you wanna make it with cranberry juice, you can. So we've got the fresh lime. Stir. So as you can see, this pomegranate, orange, and lime juice, very refreshing. I'm gonna pour it in my glass, and I'm not gonna top it because I want to leave a little room. We're gonna finish it with a little ginger beer. And the ginger beer, I like ginger beer because it's got that peppery kick to it. But if you think it's too spicy for the kids, then you can just finish it off with a little sparkling water. And then obviously if you want to make it boozy, then you can add some Prosecco or champagne, but that's not what I'm going for with this recipe. This is specifically a mocktail. All right, so ginger beer going in, and this is non-alcoholic. So pretty. Look at this, guys. Love it, love it, love it. It's got the little fizz. Now we're ready to garnish. I'm gonna add, I've got some sugared cranberries, and obviously you can use non-sugared. You can just use some fresh cranberries as a garnish. I think this looks so pretty. And I've got a little rosemary that I also sugared earlier. Look how fun this is. Isn't this like the cutest? So cute, so yummy. I promise everyone's gonna love it. So this one has fresh cranberries. It's got a rosemary sprig. I'm gonna make all three of them, the garnish, a little different. So they're all gonna have cranberries on top. Cranberries for this one as well. And then I'll garnish this one with an orange slice. And then the last one will have some fresh thyme. I love including fresh herbs in my beverages. And then I'm also gonna slice some lime, and we are done. So cute. Let me just pop this up a little bit so you can see what we have. I hope I don't make a mess. Here we go. All right, friends. Citrus cheer mocktail. I hope you enjoy it. Like always, the recipe will be in the AvMed Health wall. Let us know if you love it. Mwah! See you soon.